Philippines was discovered by Magellan. They're sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they had done, because Kastilangin at waray-waray man. Magellan landed in Cebu City. Raha humabol met him there very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and tried Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to kumpala Pomoplat. Mactan Island we could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard.